Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create and add a product catalog in Facebook Ads Manager step by step, so let's get started. First, open your browser and type Facebook Ads Manager in the search bar, then press enter and click on the first official website. Once the website opens, click on Go to Ads Manager. Now click on All Tools and select Business Settings. After that, select your business account or business portfolio. Then again click on All Tools, scroll down, and select Commerce Manager. Once Commerce Manager opens, click on Add Products. Now choose Products, then select your business portfolio and enter the name of your catalog. After that, click on Next. Now you can connect your tracking website or store URL and click on Next again. Here you will see two options: connect to a data feed or add manual products. Select the option you want and click on Next. If you choose data feed, you can add the URL of your Google Sheets product feed or upload product files and folders directly from your computer. After uploading your products, click on Next and then add your payment method if required. Once everything is completed, your Facebook product catalog will be added successfully. This helps improve your business performance and allows you to run better shopping and retargeting ads on Facebook and Instagram. So that's it. If you like this video then like, subscribe and press the bell icon for updates.